welcome to the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final of the Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021. The cycle brand takes great pride in India's heritage and culture and has centered the company's mission and vision around the same. Hence, the cycle brand has conceptualized the Cycle Heritage Quiz with a view to enlighten young minds on the 5,000-year-old heritage of our nation. The Cycle Heritage Quiz is an all-India level quiz competition that celebrates India's rich culture and heritage, with participants spanning the length and breadth of the nation. Yes, by length and the breadth, we mean length and breadth of the nation. We have participants from Lakshadweep, we have participants from Kashmir, we have participants from Kanyakumari, we have participants from Majuli in Assam. So from all across the country, we have had participants, and more than 30,000 people have registered for this quiz. So through this quiz, participants get a chance to showcase their knowledge and passion for India's heritage. As we know, we are still dealing with effects of the global pandemic. Hence, the Cycle Heritage Quiz is being held in a special online format. In this quiz, we have divided India into 18 different clusters. After a grueling preliminary stage, where participants took part in 4 rounds with questions on the heritage of our nation, along with special focus rounds on the heritage of their region, we have our 6 finalists from each cluster. So now let's meet 6 finalists from the Bhubaneswar cluster, where students from across Odisha have taken part. At participant number 1, we have Ankit Sahu from KIIT International School. Hi, Ankit.
Hello, sir.
So, Ankit, feeling confident of your chances?
Yes, sir, I'm feeling very confident.
Okay, very good. Next, we have Shushti Swarupa Das from Sai International School. Hi, Shushti.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shushti. And Shushti, tell me, how did you find the preliminary rounds? Was it easy or was it tough?
Sir, it was easy for me.
It was easy for you, and that's why you have made it. So let's see whether you find the final or the cluster final easy also. All the best, Shushti.
Thank you, sir.
Let's move on to our third participant, that is Ahana Paikrev from St. Joseph's High School. Good evening, Ahana.
Hello, sir.
So, Ahana, tell me, how was your experience taking part in the preliminary round of the Cycle Heritage Quiz?
Sir, for the preliminary round, sir, I found that most toughest quiz I have ever given.
Okay.
Sir, I just kind of guessed most of the answers and even knew a bit of those, and then just somehow passed.
Okay, great. So one person says it was very easy. One person says it was the toughest quiz they have ever given. So varying perspectives, but both of you have made it. So all the best, Ahana. Next, we have Aurobindo Mahapatra from St. Arnold School. Hi, Aurobindo.
Very good evening, sir.
Hello, Aurobindo. And Aurobindo, tell me, how was your experience with the preliminary round of the Cycle Heritage Quiz?
Sir, if I would tell you, it was a bit of mixed expression. Half of the questions were easy in the preliminary rounds and half of the questions were hard too. And thankfully, I got it figured out and I got to get a chance to get into the cluster finals.
Okay, superb. That's the spirit, Aurobindo, and all the very best. Okay, our next participant is Binapani from Chinmoy School. Hi, Binapani.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Binapani. And Binapani, tell me, what is your favorite tourist spot in India?
मैं हॉलीडेज में गोवा जाना चाहती हूँ.
अच्छा, गोवा जाना चाहते हो? ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. तो ये क्विज आपको अच्छा लगा प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज?
हाँ, अच्छा भी लगा. अच्छा, मैं फीलिंग्स भी अच्छे भी करती हूँ.
अच्छा, फीलिंग्स में अच्छा ही करते हो. ठीक है. So all the best, Binapani. Hopefully you do really well. And last but not the least, we have Avipsha from St. Xavier's School. Avipsha, feeling confident of your chances?
Yes, I'm confident, but still a bit nervous.
Still a bit nervous. Okay, let's see. Oh, I hope the questions don't make you nervous. So relax and play and enjoy the quiz. All right, so welcome everyone to the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final. We have our 6 participants, and now we are ready to start off with our first round, which is called Lakshya Bheda. So round 1 is Lakshya Bheda, and here are the rules. So 1 question per participant. This round does not pass. Each question has 4 options. Each participant gets 3 attempts, plus 15 for first attempt, plus 10 for second attempt, plus 5 for the third attempt. So these are the rules of the first round, which is called Lakshya Bheda. Okay, let's move on to our first question, and that is for our first participant, and that is Ankit Sahu. Ankit, your question coming up on screen now. Lord Ayappan is a brahmachari in a state of eternal bliss or samadhi, holding Chin Mudra. Name the location famous for a temple. Is it A, Tanjavur? Is it B, Tirupati? Is it C, Sabarimala? Or is it D, Sridangam?
Sir, I would like to go with option C, Sabarimala.
Okay, let's click on option C, Sabarimala. Yes, very good, Ankit. Good answer, 15 points. Great start for you. And now we will move on to our second participant, that is Shushti Swarupa Das. Shushti, your question coming up on screen now. Your question is, Jayadratha's father, Vidhatstra, obtained a boon that whosoever causes his son's head to fall on the ground will be killed by having his own head burst into 100 pieces. So whose death resulted from the killing of Jayadratha? Okay, so whose head burst into 100 pieces after Jayadratha was killed? Okay, is it Vidhatstra himself? Is it Abhimanyu? Is it Ghatotkacha? Or is it Arjuna? This is for Shushti.
It is option A, Vidhatstra himself.
Okay, let's click on option A, Vidhatstra himself. Beautiful answer. You know this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Absolutely. So when Arjuna shot the arrow at Jayadratha, the head of Jayadratha flew and landed on Vidhatra's lap, and Vidhatra was so shocked that then the head fell, and then because of obviously the curse, Vidhatra's head burst into 100 pieces. Very good answer, Shushti. We will now move on to the next question, and that is for our third participant. And our third participant is Ahana. Ahana, your question is coming up on screen now. What is the fourth one in this list? Badrinath, Dwarka, and Rameshwaram. So you have to tell me, what is the fourth one in this list? Is it A, Amarnath, B, Kedarnath, C, Tirupati, or D, Puri?
Sir, I would like to give the answer as D, Puri.
Okay, is it D, Puri? Let's click on D. Yes, very well done, Ahana. Good answer. And how did you arrive at Puri?
Sir, I knew the list.
Okay, so these are the Char Dham, absolutely. Badrinath, Dwarka, Rameshwaram, and Puri. So perfect scoring here in Bhubaneswar, 15 points for you. And now we will move on to the next question. And next question is for Aurobindo. Aurobindo, your question coming up on screen now. It is alternatively called Urad Dal Jaggery cake. The main ingredients of this recipe are jaggery, coconut, bay leaves, rice flour, dry fruits, and milk. It is prepared during the Raja festival. Name this dish. Is it Enduri Pitha, Kakera Pitha, Poda Pitha, or Manda? This is for Aurobindo.
Sir, I would like to go with the option A, Enduri Pitha.
Okay, let's click on option A, Enduri Pitha. Sorry, that's the wrong answer. Your next try, Aurobindo.
Sir, Manda Pitha.
Okay, Manda. Okay, let's click on D. Sorry, that's wrong. Last try.
Sir, the option C, Poda Pitha.
Okay, let's click on option C, Poda Pitha. Well done. Yes, finally 5 points for you, Aurobindo. Decent start. We'll have lots more chances to score many more points. And now we will move on to our fifth participant. That is Vinapani. Vinapani, your question coming up on screen now. Aapka sawal screen pe aa raha hai.
Yeah.
So your question is, Gopinath Mohanty, Sachidanand Rautre, Sitakant Mohapatra, and Pratibha Ray have all been conferred with which honor? Okay, so Gopinath Mohanty, Sachidanand Rautरे, Sikatan Mahapatra and और प्रतिभा रे को कौन सा अवार्ड मिला है? इन चारों को कौन सा अवार्ड मिला है? ठीक है, अवार्ड, इज इट पद्मा विभूषण, इज इट ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड, इज इट बुकर प्राइज, या इज इट सरस्वती सम्मान?
ऑप्शन है पद्म विभूषण.
ओके, ऑप्शन ए, लेट्स क्लिक ऑन ऑप्शन ए, पद्म विभूषण. सॉरी, दैट्स द रॉन्ग आंसर. आप फिर से ट्राई कीजिए.
सरस्वती सम्मान.
Okay, let's click on Saraswati Samman. Sorry, last try.
बुक प्राइज.
Booker Prize, let's click on Booker Prize. Sorry, wrong answer. These are all famous writers from Odisha. These are the 4 writers from Odisha who have won the Jnanpith Award. ये इन चारों को उड़िया में लिखने के लिए ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया गया है. तो ज्ञानपीठ अवार्ड है सही उत्तर. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिना पानी, नो पॉइंट्स फॉर यू इन दिस राउंड. आपको इस राउंड में कोई अंक नहीं मिला, लेकिन चिंता मत कीजिए, और भी राउंड्स है, और भी सवाल है, आपको स्कोर करने के लिए बहुत चांसेस है. Okay, now let's move on to our next question. That is for Abhiksha. Okay, Abhiksha, your question coming up on screen now. And here it is. The first ever test match on Indian soil was played at the Bombay Gymkhana in 1933 between India and England. In that match, which cricketer from a famous cricketing family scored 100? Is it A, Vinu Mankad? Is it B, Jahangir Khan? Is it C, Nawab Patauti Senior? Is it D, Lala Amarnath?
Sir, I would like to go with the option C, Nawab of Pataudi.
Okay, let's click on option C, Nawab Patauti. Sorry, that's the wrong answer. Your next try.
Sir, option A, Vinu Mankad.
Okay, let's click on A, Vinu Mankad. Sorry, that's also the wrong answer. Your last try.
Sir, option D, Lala Amarnath.
Okay, let's click on option D, Lala Amarnath. And yes, Lala Amarnath is the right answer. So you get 5 points. You are off the mark. So with that, we come to the end of the first round, which is called Lakshya Veda. Now we'll move on to the second round, which is called Jigyasa. So round 2 is Jigyasa, and let's take a look at the rules. So one direct question per participant. This round passes clockwise, which brings from participant A to participant B to C to D to E to F. That's the order in which we will go. Plus 10 for every correct answer, direct or on pass. Once again, we will start off with our first participant, and that is Ankit Sahu. Ankit, your direct question is coming up on screen now. In 1947, the Indonesian Prime Minister Sultan Sajib was placed under surveillance by the colonial Dutch, who had absolute control over Indonesian sea and air, and did not let him leave the country. Jawaharlal Nehru entrusted the task of rescuing Sultan Sajib to which freedom fighter, who was also an expert pilot?
Is it Subhash Chandra Bose?
Can you say the answer again? Subhash Chandra Bose?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Not Subhash Chandra Bose. Let's pass to participant number 2, Shushti.
So the answer is Biju Patnaik.
You are very sure, very confident. Biju Patnaik is the right answer. Well done. 10 points to you. You knew this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Biju Patnaik is the right answer. 10 points. The next direct question comes to you, Shushti. Shushti, your question on screen now. It is believed that hockey was introduced in this district of Odisha by the European missionaries who came to the tribal region in the 1860s. It has produced 5 Indian hockey captains, including 3 on the men's side and 2 on the women's side. In all, it has produced around 60 international players, and in some articles is called the cradle of Indian hockey. Name this district. This is for Shishti.
Sir, it is Sundargarh.
It is Sundargarh. Very good answer. Brilliant, Shushti. Absolutely brilliant. You watch hockey?
No, sir, not much.
But you read about this. Okay, fantastic. 10 points. It is Sundargarh district. Very well done. 10 points to you, Shushti. And now we will move on to the next question. And the next question is for Ahana. Ahana, your question coming up on screen now. Kaushika received a curse from sage Mandavya that he would die at sunrise. Hence, Kaushika's wife used her magical powers to stop the sun from rising. Anusuya, wife of sage Atri, convinced Kaushika's wife to let the sun rise, and in exchange, the Trimurti blessed Anusuya with boons and took birth as her children. Brahma was born as whom, also known as Nishakara. So Brahma was also born as one of Anushka's children. Oh, sorry, not Anushka's children, Anusuya's children. And his name was also Nishakara. So this God's name was also Nishakara, and it's considered a form of Brahma. So who is this God?
Sir, is it Chandrama?
It is Chandrama. Absolutely correct. Well done, Ahana. 10 points for you. Very, very well done. Good answer. And we'll now move on to the next participant, that is Aurobindo. Aurobindo, your question coming up on screen now. This animal is named after the distinctive patterns on its coat. Ellipses partially edged in black, with the insides a darker color than the background color of the pelt. The base of the fur is a pale yellow to rich brown. It is the state animal of a northeastern state. Name this member of the cat family. This is for Aurobindo.
Sir, it is the Royal Bengal tiger?
No, it's not the Royal Bengal tiger, unfortunately. Moving on to Binapani.
Cheetah.
Okay, not Cheetah Binapani. Now we'll have to pass on to the next participant, that is Abhipsha. Abhipsha, you have to take a guess. What's your answer?
So, is it leopard?
Again, you have to be more specific.
Sorry, sir, no idea.
Okay, passing on to Ankit.
Sir, are this clouded leopard?
Yes, it is clouded leopard. Very good. 10 points. The state animal of Meghalaya. It is clouded leopard. Very good answer. Abhipsha, that was close, but unfortunately, we can't give you any points for just leopard because there are various kinds of leopards. So 10 points for you, Ankit. And now we will move on to the next question. That is for Binapani. Binapani, your question coming up on screen now. So your question, Binapani, is the last Mughal emperor was tried by the British for treason in his own home. The trial was held in Diwani Khas, surrounded by the British court, when they found the emperor guilty, because of which he was stripped of his title. So where was this trial held? Okay.
हस्का दिल्ली में हस्कास में हुआ था.
Hoskas nahi hai, not Hoskas. We'll move on to the next participant, that is Abhipsha. Abhipsha, what's the answer?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay,
No, sir,
so Abhipsha passing. Moving on to Ankit.
Sir, is it Red Fort?
Yes, Red Fort. That's where the Mughals stayed during that time. Bahadur Shah Zafar. It is the Red Fort. Well done. 10 points for you, Ankit. Very good answering. And the last question of this round is for Abhipsha. Abhipsha, your question coming up on screen now. He was born to a family of artists who painted Patachitra, which is religious folk paintings on thinly woven cloth. He trained and performed as a traditional dancer and drummer. He also provided percussion accompaniment, both on tabla and mardala, for a number of musical broadcasts by All India Radio station Cuttack. In March 2000, he was conferred the Padma Bhushan. Name this famous personality.
Sorry, sir.
Passing. Okay, Ankit. Ankit, moving to you.
No idea.
Okay, Ankit, no idea. Moving to Shushti.
Sir, Raghunath Mahapatra.
No. Passing on to Ahana.
Sir, Sudarshan Sahu.
Not Sudarshan Sahu. For fourth participant, that is Aurobindo.
Sir, is it Kailash Chandra Meher?
Kailash Chandra Meher. No. Not right. Binapani.
अक्षय महांती.
No, that's the wrong answer. I think Shushti came the closest. Of course, the surname is Mohapatra, but unfortunately, a lot of people in Odisha have the surname Mohapatra, including people here. So it's not Mohapatra. Just I will not give the point for just Mohapatra. It's a famous Odissi dancer, Kelucharan Mohapatra. Okay, so Kelucharan Mohapatra was the answer that I was looking for. With that, we come to the end of round number 2. So after round number 2, here are the scores. We have tie for top spot between Ankit and Shushti. Both of them have scored 35 points. Next, we have Ahana with 25 points. And then we have Aurobindo and Abhipsha, both on 5 points. Binapani is yet to open her account, but there are still many questions to go her on the score. For cluster final will qualify for our national quarterfinals. So it's still a close race to see who qualifies for the national quarterfinals. We'll now move ahead to our next round, which is called Rishan. Let's look at the rules of Rishan. So 1 question per participant, does not pass. 3 clues leading to something or someone, plus 15 for getting it in the first attempt, plus 10 for getting the answer in the second attempt, plus 5 for getting the answer in the third attempt. So with that, we move to our first participant for this round. This time we are going in reverse order. So we will start off with Abhipsha. Abhipsha, your first clue. He was born in Dina, Jhelum district, British India, which falls in Pakistan. That's the first.
Sir, I'd like to go to next clue.
Let's go to the next clue. This is a lyricist. We are looking for a very famous lyricist. Okay. His real name is Sampuran Singh Kalra.
The third one.
Okay. Let's go to the last clue and the third clue. He won a Grammy Award and an Oscar for the song Jai.
Sir, A.R. Rahman.
No, not A.R. Rahman. As I said, I was looking for a lyricist, not the music director. The lyricist for that song was none other than the famous poet and lyricist Gulzar. So Gulzar is what I was looking for. Unfortunately, Abhipsha, no points for you. And we'll move on to our next participant, that is Binapani. Yes. So Binapani, your first clue coming up on screen now. आपका पहला जो clue है, screen पे आ रहा है. So between 1949 and 1952, she was India's ambassador to the USA. So 1949 और 1952 के बीच में ये जो famous महिला थे, प्रसिद्ध महिला थे, ये India's ambassador to the USA थे. तो ambassador आपको पता होगा जो इंडिया का representative होता है उस देश में या प्रतिनिधित्व करता है उस देश में. तो एक बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध महिला के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो आप गेस करना चाहेंगे कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Sarojini Naidu.
Not Sarojini Naidu. That's a very good guess, actually. Very, very good guess. It is not Sarojini Naidu. Next clue. In 1953, she was the first woman to become president of the UN General Assembly. 1953 में वो पहले महिला बने जो UN General Assembly के president बने. UN General Assembly के पहले president थे वो, और वो 1953 में उनको ये position मिला या स्थान मिला.
Indira Gandhi.
Not Indira Gandhi. Again, good try. Let's move on to your last clue. She was the sister of the first Prime Minister of Independent.
Indira Gandhi.
So unfortunately, Binapani, you don't get any points for this one. The correct answer is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, who was the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of Independent India. Okay, so we will move on to our next participant. Our next participant is Aurobindo, and Aurobindo, your clue is coming up on screen now.
Yes, sir.
So Aurobindo, your first clue. His first company, Majin, imported polyester yarn and exported spices to Yemen.
Sir, can you go for the next option?
Okay, next clue. Next clue. Okay. Your next clue. In 1966, he set up his first textile mill and soon earned the sobriquet Prince of Polyester.
So for the third one?
Okay, let's go for the third one. His son is one of the richest men in Asia and also owns an IPL franchise.
Sir, is it Dhirubhai Ambani?
It is Dhirubhai Ambani, absolutely correct. His son Mukesh Ambani owns an IPL franchise, Mumbai Indians.
He owned the Mumbai Indians.
So Aurobindo Mahapatra, that's 5 points. So well done, Aurobindo. Let's move on to our next participant, that is Ahana. Ahana, your clue is going to come up on screen. Let's have a look at your clue. He was among the first batch of 40 cadets to be admitted to the Indian Military Academy when it opened at Dehradun in 1932. Okay, can't give you more time. We have to move to the next clue. Vicky Kaushal is playing his role in a movie based on his life.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir. So it's Major Vihan Shergill.
No, not Vihan Shergill. Good try. Let's move on to the last clue. He was the first field marshal of the Indian Army.
Sir, K.M. Cariappa.
Oh, K.M. Cariappa. No, not K.M. Cariappa. That's a good guess. It's not Cariappa. It's the other field marshal. It's Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw is who I was looking for. So no points for Ahana. We'll move on to our next participant, that is Shrishti. Shrishti, your first clue is coming up on screen now. His original name is Siddheshwara Parida and was born in the 15th century in Jagatsinghpur district.
Sir, can you go to the next clue?
Okay, let's move on to the next clue. This Udiya poet was a contemporary of Kapilendra Dev.
Sir, Sarla Das.
Sarala Das, absolutely correct. Well done. 10 points to you, Shrishti. Very, very good answer. 10 points to Shrishti. And now we will move on to our next question, which is for Ankit. Ankit, your first clue is going to come up on screen now. This monument was built in commemoration of a city surviving a plague.
Can you go to the next clue?
Okay, next clue. Let's move on. It is located on the east bank of the Musi River.
No. Third.
Okay, let's move on to the third clue. Its name in Urdu means 4 pillars.
The Charminar.
Charminar, of course. 4 pillars, Charminar. What else would it be? 5 points for you, Ankit. With that, we smiles from Ankit. Good to see. Important answer. With that, we come to the end of round number 3. This time, we take a look at the scores. So, after round number 3, with one more round to go at the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final of the Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021, here are the scores. Once again, reminder, 2 people from here will qualify for the national quarterfinals. So, right now, we have the leader, that is Shrishti, with 45 points. But close behind is Ankit with 40 points. Ahana is still in the race with 25 points. Then we have Aurobindo on 10 points, Abhiksha on 5 points, and Vinapani yet to open her account on 0 points. Now we will move on to round number 4, which is called Divya Drishti. So in Divya Drishti, we have 1 direct question per participant. All are based on visuals. This round passes anti-clockwise. So you move on from F to E to D to C to B to A. Okay, in that order. Plus 10 once again for every correct answer, whether it be direct or on pass. In this, the question will not appear on screen. We'll see the visual and I'll be asking you the question. In this round, we'll once again start off with Abhiksha. Abhiksha, your visual is coming up on screen now. Okay. So Abhiksha, your question is, which famous artist created a world record by building this structure?
Sir, Sudarshan Patnaik.
Sudarshan Patnaik is right. That was an easy one. This is from the Puri beach. This was the world's largest sand castle at that time. And it is Sudarshan Patnaik. So 10 points. Well done, Abhiksha. But now, of course, the record has been broken. The largest Sandcastle is in Copenhagen in Denmark. But yes, at that time, it was definitely a world record. So very well done, Abhiksha. You get 10 points. Next, we have a question for Bina Pani. Bina Pani, your visual is coming up on screen now. Bina Pani, your question is, whose statue is this? ये किसका statue है? Very simple question.
Lakshmi.
Not Lakshmi. Moving on to Aurobindo.
Sir, I have no idea on this.
Okay. Now let's move on to Ahana.
Sir, Krishna.
Not Krishna. Let's move on to our next participant. That is Shushti. Shushti, do you know the answer?
Sir, Chaitanya.
Yes, Chaitanya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Absolutely correct. 10 points for you, Shushti. A crucial 10 points. Well done. I thought this was a pretty easy question and I did not expect it will pass so much, but Shushti, 10 points for you. Well done. Now we'll have the next question, which is a direct one for Aurobindo. Aurobindo, your visual is coming up on screen now. Okay, Aurobindo, you have to tell me what the name of the team, what famous trophy has been depicted in this sculpture?
Sorry, sir. No idea.
Okay, passing on to Ahana.
Sir, mountain hockey.
No, not hockey. Let's move on to Shushti.
Sir, Dhyan Chand.
Not Dhyan. The trophy. It's not good.
No, no idea.
Let's move on to Ankit. Yes, Ankit,
No,
go for it.
No idea.
Okay, let's move on to Abhiksha.
No idea, sir.
Okay, Bina Pani, moving on to you.
No idea, sir.
Okay, so unfortunately, no one gets any points for this question. This is a sculpture of the famous Mohun Bagan team. Mohun Bagan team that won the 1911 IFA Shield. So IFA Shield is what is depicted in the middle. So the 1911 Mohun Bagan team beat East Yorkshire Regiment to become the first Indian team to claim the prestigious IFA Shield title. We still talk about this team a lot. So no one gets this question on Indian sport, and this is definitely part of the heritage of Indian sport. So we'll move on to the fourth question of this round. The fourth question is for Ahana. Ahana, your question is coming up on screen now. Here is your visual. So this is a mythological painting. So this shows Uttara reading to whom before going to battle. Uttara is the name of the lady. He is pleading to someone before he goes to battle. So who is she pleading to?
Sir, it's Arjuna.
Not Arjuna. Passing to Shushti.
Sir, the answer is Abhimanyu.
The answer is Abhimanyu. Of course, Uttara was Abhimanyu's wife, and this was before he went to the battle where he tried to enter the Chakravyuh and then ultimately passed away. But he had a lot of Maharathis on the way. But absolutely, Abhimanyu is the correct answer. 10 points to you, Shushti. Some great answering today for you. So the next direct question actually is a direct question for you. Let's see whether you can get another 10 points. Let's have your visual on screen. So Shushti, your question is, name this monument.
Sir, is it Taj Mahal?
Absolutely, I thought it would trick you, but this is the inside of the Taj Mahal. Very good answer. Have you visited Taj Mahal?
No, sir, but I had seen its interior once.
Okay, great. Absolutely. Well done. This is Taj Mahal. Shushti on a roll. 10 more points for you. And now we will move on to the last question of this round. And that is for Ankit. Ankit, your visual coming up on screen now. Okay. You have to tell me which Indian zoo was the first to be a part of this organization. So the organization is World Association of Zoos and Aquariums. So which Indian zoo was the first to become part of this organization?
Sir, is it Nandankanan?
It is Nandan Kanan. Well done, Ankit. Finishing off the quiz with a bang. And I think you will like what you see on the scoreboard. With that, we come to the end of 4 exciting rounds of the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final at Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021. Here are the scores. Binapani, unfortunately, not your day, but you have come very far in this quiz because we had 30,000 participants at the start of this quiz. From there, you have been among the top 108 and you have entered the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final. So big round of applause for you. Very well done, Binapani. Very well fought. So no points for you, but I'm sure we'll see you in many more quizzes to come. Then next, we have Aurobindo, who was a very spirited performer, answered 2 questions correctly. 10 points for you, Aurobindo. Again, all the best for future quizzes. Next, we have Abhip Shah on 4th spot. Abhip Shah must have been glad to get Sudarshan Patnaik, right? She got 15 points. Well done, Abhip Shah. Next, we have Ahana. Ahana ends in 3rd spot. Was in the running till an extent of time, but finally at the end, last round did not go quite the way she would have planned. So Ahana ends up with 25 points. But qualifying in 2nd spot for the national quarterfinals, the 2nd place winner in the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final is none other than Ankit Sahu, who was consistent from start to finish and got a half century at the end, 50 points. Well done, Ankit.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but winning this quiz with a huge score of 75 points, giving some cracking answers from start to finish is Shushti Swarupa Dash with 75 points. Well done, Shushti. Congratulations. You have qualified for the national quarterfinal.
Thank you, sir.
The Bhubaneswar Cluster Final of the Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021 was sure an exciting one and filled with a lot of quality answers, especially from 3 people, Shushti, Ankit, and Ahana. It was a 3-way battle for the top 2 spots, but ultimately it was Shushti pulled away and won with a massive score of 75 points. But Ankit also hit a half century and came 2nd with 50 points. So well done to Shushti and Ankit, who would be representing the Bhubaneswar cluster at the Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021 national quarterfinals. But a word of appreciation for Ahana as well, who gave some very, very nice answers. And well played, Aurobindo also, who also managed to give 2 nice answers. Abhip Shah also, who gave some good answers. And Binapani, who tried her best. You are one of the 108 people across 30,000 participants. We have selected just 108 for our cluster finals, and all of you are part of those. So you are already winners. So very, very well done to all of the participants at the Bhubaneswar Cluster Final of the Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021. We'll see Shushti and Ankit at our national quarterfinals. And we'll see you at the next episode of the Cycle Heritage Quiz 2021 with another cluster final. Till we meet again, stay safe, stay happy, stay curious. Goodbye from all of us at the team of CHQ 2021.